Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best Tron Telegram bot. So I have put the link of this Telegram bot down in the description. So you can use that link in order to get early access to this Telegram bot without any problem. So you just have to simply click on the link and then you will be landed in your Telegram desktop application. Over here you just have to simply click on the start button, and as you can see that we have the welcome page on the Tron bot. Now it has given you the TRX wallet address to you, so you can use this address in order to get some TRX into your bot. So you just have to simply tap on this address in order to copy it, and now you can use it in order to bring some TRX into this Tron trading bot. Over here you can even go to Sun Pump, and over here you can find the meme coins of your choice. So you can check out any of the meme coins of your choice. So let's say I'm interested in this one. So you just have to simply click on the meme coin and you just have to copy the contract address. Then you need to come to this bot, and here you need to click on buy. After that it will ask you, in order to buy a token you need to enter the token address. So we just copied the token address, so you just have to simply paste it over here and press enter. Now it will show you all of the information about that particular token, like whether it is listed on Sunswap or not, its current price and the market cap, and the bonding chart as well. So you can also view its liquidity. So here if you want to purchase it, then you just have to simply click on the presets, or you can even enter your own amount. So let's say you want to buy some other amount of TRX. Let's say you want to purchase or you want to spend 5 TRX on it. So you just have to simply click on buy X TRX, and here you just have to type the amount, then press enter. After that your order will be placed and you will be able to receive the token, the contract address of which you have entered over here. Next we have the option of selling and manage. So once you click on selling, you will be able to see your open position, basically the coins that you currently hold in your bot. So you can manage and you can sell them by clicking on the selling option. Similar to buy, if you want to sell the specific amount of coin, then you can click on the X button and then enter your amount. You can even join them by clicking on the community option. Here we have the options of wallet managers as well. So if you click on the current wallet, it will show you your current wallet and the balance that it has. Now we have the option of the wallet manager. So if you click on wallet manager, you can either import a new wallet and you can even generate wallets. Over here you can generate up to 10 wallets. So if you go to the settings, then you can even manage the settings of this bot over here, like you can put auto buy and auto sell. I will also create a dedicated video on the best settings for the Tron bot, but for this video you might get an overview of the best trading bot for Tron. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.